Hello dear bankers, welcome back to JAIIB CAIIB Prep. In today's video, we will discuss Unit 11 of Module A, a very short unit, and in today's unit, we'll understand what is cash management, why is it important, um, why is it important for a corporate entity, why is it important for banks, what are the types of cash management services, what are challenges and issues. So let's begin the video. Um, Let's quickly get an introduction to cash management. What is cash management? Cash management means managing the money. Okay, you manage the cash that flows in and out of the business. This means that uh, cash management includes collecting money from customers. Number one, number two, holding or investing extra cash wisely. So concentration. So you hold or invest. And number three, third, you uh, paid off your employees, you paying employees and suppliers on time, so disbursement of cash. What is the main goal? Main goal is to make sure that the company always has enough cash to run smoothly while avoiding too much idle cash, unused cash. So imagine you are running a business. So you need to collect money from customers, you need to pay rent and staff, and you need to invest more into your raw material and stock. So now the managing this inflow and outflow of money is called cash important. Why is it important for you? Because it saves money. It increases your efficiency. It helps your company to grow faster. And there was a Canadian study which founded that big companies could save up to $23 billion just by using electronic methods for cash management. um, how cash management has evolved. So, why it has changed? So this higher interest rates now, and keeping too much money idle is will cost the company dearly. And again, there has been improvement in technology. Now, computers and internet-based payments like NEFT, RTGS, UPI. Now, this makes um, cash inflow and outflow very easy and fast, right? Say there are some major corporations like IBM. A big company like IBM may have offices in many countries. Do you agree with that? If one office has extra cash and another needs cash to pay bills, the cash management system helps to move the fund quickly between them. There are various RBI initiatives. RBI has developed several initiatives like NEFT, RTGS for electronic fund transfer. Then there are MICR, NACH, CMFS, CTS to secure and faster check and clearing systems. So RBI has taken these initiatives to create and develop a strong payment infrastructure in India, in this country. Now, why cash management is important? So, cash management is important for corporates as well as for banks. Why is it important for corporates? So, good cash management means you know when and where you will need cash. Now, you are being ready with your funds. This reduces paperwork and errors. It saves a ton of time and bank interest, and you are making your payments to your staff, to your suppliers, to other businesses on time. Now, say Unilever sells product worldwide. It collects money in different countries and it uses a system to move fund from one location to another whenever in need. So you can predict, manage cash accurately. You know when where you need cash, being ready with your funds. It reduce paperwork, it reduce error. So electronic cancellation leads to effective fund management, right? Saves time. Now you know that where do you require money, where you don't require a loan, so it saves interest and you can pay your staff on time. For banks, with this technology, even non-banks now offer financial services. So bank have started offering fee-based service. So bank will earn a fee for this cash management service, like managing payment for companies to make steady income. A bank now offers services like salary transfer, electronic vendor payments, etc., and charges fees for them. So, apart from earning interest from giving loan, bank is also indulging itself in fee-based services. A major revenue comes from fee-based service as well. And cash management services is one of the service offered by banks in India. Let's understand type of cash management for services which are offered by bank. So number one, there is cash collection service. Now for businesses that deals with physical cash, bank offers that will collect your cash, will arrange the pickups for your cash daily from store safely. Excuse me. Number two, for fund transfer services, it is used to pay salaries and taxes. A company can directly transfer salaries to bank employees, to employees' bank accounts. Um, Now, then there is check and DD issuance. Here, bank help companies to issue checks, demand draft, even in remote locations. NEFT, bulk disbursement used for large or bulk payments to multiple peoples or vendors. NACH payments for regular payments like EMI, utility bills, dividend, etc. It is used. Auto sweep facility. It moves extra money from current accounts into FD to earn interest. Advanced services are being offered by foreign banks as well, which includes, but it's not limited to, global cash pooling, investment advice, treasury management, so on and so forth. Now, let's quickly understand the challenges in cash management. Even though tech has made things easier, banks and businesses still face some challenges. Now, what are they? Number one, understanding the client's business. Bank must know the nature of the business to offer the right cash solution. So, bank has to offer the customized solution. So, every company is different. So, one size fit all does not work. Bank has to choose the right software, whether to build it, buy it, or outsource it. Many firms in India are small and they need simple and affordable services. And bank must coordinate with different departments like finance, IT, marketing teams of the company to make this thing work. Um, there are security risks with online banking, we cannot deny it. Fraud and hacking are big concerns, and so reliability on the internet is sometimes also a challenge. So we need to make sure that the internet must be secured, it must be fast, and always working for real-time cash movements. So, any doubts on it can ask on our Telegram group channel. Let's check your progress now. Which of the following denotes the cash management service? Holding minimum cash at branches, providing adequate cash at ATMs, providing solution to optimize liquidity of corporate. Yes, this is what denotes cash management service. So C is the correct answer. A firm's cash program is aimed at accelerating cash inflow and controlling cash outflow. This is true. So A is the correct answer. Um, a scientific cash management solution results in which of the following? Scientific savings in significant saving time. This is true. Decrease in interest cost. This is also correct. Greater accounting accuracy. This is also correct. So D is the correct answer for this question. All of the above. While selecting a bank for sourcing cash management service, a corporate takes into account pricing, reliability, security, etc. So you answer it. Is it true or false? This is true. Now let's consider the following statements regarding cash management, and we need to identify which of them are correct. Cash management includes collection, concentration, and disbursement of cash. This is true. The primary objective of cash management is to minimize the workforce. No, this is not true. It is not to minimize workforce, but to optimize liquidity. So this is not true. Commercial banks in Western countries ignored cash management. No, they don't ignore cash management. Electronic cash management strategies have the potential to save billions for large enterprise. This is also true. And cash management helps in optimizing liquidity and improving the flow of funds. This is true. So 1, 4 and 5 is true. A is the correct option for this question. In the context of CMS and RBI effort, which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Infinite customer dispute resolution. No, Infinite stand for Indian Financial Network. It is a communication backbone uh, and not a consumer dispute redressal platform. So this is not correctly paired, right? CFMS. CFMS stand for Centralized Fund Management System. What does the option say? Fund allocation for government subsidies. No, CFMS is designed to help banks and treasuries efficiently manage their funds across RBI account. It is not for direct subsidy or distribution. So this pair is also not correctly matched. CTS eliminates the need for physical check movement. This is true. This is correct. NEFT real-time interbank gross settlement system. NEFT operates in half hourly batches. It uses net settlement and not gross settlement. RTGS uses gross settlement. So D is not the correct answer or not the correct pair. So C is the correct answer for this question. Which of the following statement about the importance of cash management system are correct? Scientific cash management helps reduce interest, cost, and paperwork. This is true. Proper cash management allows detection of bookkeeping errors and reduces the number of checks issued. This is also correct. Effective liquidity management leads to lower productivity of funds. No, this is not correct. It increases the productivity and not lowers it. Multinational companies can pool surplus funds from subsidiaries to offset debt in other regions. This is also correct. Banks help move towards fees-based service as they provide more stable revenue and better corporate relationship. This is also correct. So C is the correct answer option for this question. Let's move on to question number 4. Consider the following statement regarding cash management services offered by banks in India. NEFT payment channels are used to facilitate bulk disbursements to beneficiaries across various uh, bank auto sweeping facility help in pooling funds at desired location for better liquidity management. The NACH payment facility is primarily used for one-time high-value remittance. So here statement 1 and 2 are correct. Statement 3 is not correct. NACH is designed for periodical disbursements, right? Not one-time high value remittance. So option A is correct for this question. Read the following statements related to challenges in cash management services and identify which of them are correct. Number 1, the line between treasury and accounting function is becoming more defined over time. No, it is more of fading, not more defined. Banks must avoid industry specific strategies and offer standardized solution to all clients. No, they have to offer customized solution, not standardized solutions. Bank can either build, buy, or outsource software applications for online cash management. So this is true. Banks have the option to build in-house, buy, or outsource softwares. Small and medium enterprises are a significant part of Indian corporate landscape and require tailored cash management services. This is correct. Security and operation reliability are key concerns in electronic cash management. So here 3, 4, and 5 are correct. 1 and 2 are not correct. So let's see where 3, 4, and 5 is. It is here in option B. So option B is the correct answer for this question. I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to us on our Telegram group channel, JAIIB CAIIB Prep. And till then, take care. Bye bye. We'll meet again soon.